In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Realtek microphone not working in Windows 11. First thing you want to do is go to Services, and then here you will find Windows Audio. So look for it. This is Windows Audio. Select Automatic, and then click Apply and OK. Click Start, click Apply and OK. If it's not already started, you can just leave it. So if it's already started, what you can do is restart the service. So just select it and restart it. And then you want to check if you have any Windows updates. So you can go to Windows here, type Windows Update, and just check if there's any update. Make sure you are always on the latest version. Next thing, go to Settings. And here you want to type Sound Settings. So if you scroll down, you should be able to see the microphone. You have this Realtek microphone. Just make sure you select it if you see it here. Now go here and you're going to see more sound settings, then recording. Now here, if you see the microphone that you have, just make sure you set it as a default. So if you see Realtek microphone, just select it and put it as the default. So here I'll show an example. Like let's say I want this one, I would select it and then set it this as default, and then click apply and then OK. So once you do this, this should fix the error.